Anyway, here's my rebuild kit here. It's got a Sanden compressor in there. What is it, a 508? Here's the high pressure side. High pressure side looks like it'll go to the compressor, and then I think I got to bend this up to fit onto the condenser here. So this is compressor to condenser, high side. The low side looks like it's going to hook up somewhere around here to the compressor, and then I believe it's going to connect over here to the evaporator. So at some point I'm going to have to break that loose, I guess. Here is another line that runs to the dryer, though, coming out of the evaporator. And Nostalgic Air is the one that sold me the kit. So here's some belts that they included. Here's a adapter plate that's going to hold the compressor. So anyway, that's all that. Alright, here's the compressor that it came with. I'm pretty sure they put PAG oil in it. And since, you know, the system has still got some whatever mineral oil left over from the R12 system, we're gonna try and drain this as much as we can and put some ester oil in it. So Nostalgia Air, who made this kit for me, they have a video how to do this, but we're going to do it right here. And suction side, according to this, and discharge, that's, I believe, high pressure, low pressure. Take these caps off. This one comes off, I think. Okay, spins off. Okay.